Hello all, I'm Kamakshi Chandramohan, ex-banker and now a career counselor. Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations proclaimed in the year 2015 can be said to be the best program of the United Nations for all the countries, their development together so that the world turns out to be a better place to live in for the future generation. Why sustainable development and not only development? Sustainable development means the resources are made use of now and it will be available in future also for the generations to come to enjoy. There are three main pillars of SDG. It is the balance between economic growth and social equality and environmental protection. The 17 goals as proposed by the United Nations are based on these three pillars. Let us take a look at the 17 goals. One will come to the conclusion. Nothing that is required for the optimum development of the countries has been left out. Everything is there. I'll read out. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent working conditions with economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals. Already nearly 10 years, 9 years have gone by. 6 more years are there to achieve the goals. So, we will look at it mainly from the perspective of India. I am very, very happy to say of the SDG goals, the score of India in the year 2024 is 71 out of 100. I think India is leading the world in achieving the goals as proposed by the United Nations. In certain aspects like poverty and hunger, India has achieved more than 90% of the target, uplifting the people. And the overall, there is improvement in all the 15 goals as proposed by the UN, and the overall percentage comes to 71. These are all implemented through the various schemes as put forth by the central government. The continuity of the power at the center has enabled for the country to achieve the goals as proposed by the United Nations, like minimum wages scheme, ENERGRA, supply food safety through ration shops supplies to the poor people, and so on and so forth. Swachh Bharat, Jal Jeevan scheme. Like this, there are hundreds of schemes all over the country which has helped us achieve 70 plus scorecard, still with 6 more years to spare. What about the world? In the world, so many countries with different backgrounds and economic conditions and cultures. There, we can't say there has not been any development. Nearly about 15% of the goals can be achieved by 2030, looking at the pace in which development activity is going on. About 50% is halfway through, and some more developments are thought could be achieved. For about 30%, the developments are yet to take place and it may not be achieved. But at the end of 2030, what will happen is definitely the countries of the world will be seeing a very, very transformed world by being focusing on the achievement of the SDG goals of the United Nations. Thank you.